Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install Project Motor Racing game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So open Steam, go to stores, and in the store, search for Project Motor Racing game, and then click on this result, Project Motor Racing. Scroll down, and here you will see Play Project Motor Racing, play for free until 30th March. So currently this game is free and it is free to keep and it is free until 30 March 2026. So click on play game and here you will see Project Motor Racing game. The size is 55.99 GB and then click on install button. Then accept the EULA. Now go to library and then select the Project Motor Racing from the list. And here you can see that Project Motor Racing game is getting installed on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download and install Project Motor Racing game on your PC for free until 30th March 2026 via Steam launcher. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.